So in this video, you'll learn how to enable autocorrect on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So autocorrect is a feature that simply replaces any mistyped words on your keyboard, on your phone. So if you want to enable autocorrect so that it's easier for you to type out words, then all you need to do is simply open Settings, scroll and tap on General Management. Then from here, select Samsung Keyboard Settings. Look for Auto Replace and select it. Then you can see toggles next to the languages that you currently have added to your keyboard. So if you want to enable autocorrect, just tap on the toggle next to that language to enable it. If you want to enable autocorrect for other languages, you can go ahead and tap on the toggle next to them. You'll notice some languages don't have the option for autocorrect, so they'll be grayed out. And then once you've done that, whenever you type on your keyboard, you'll now notice that you can start using autocorrect on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.